Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, this video is totally dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin, pattern, passcode, every type of lock. You can unlock your smartphone within 5 minutes. And if you are watching this video, then I'm sure your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin, pattern and password lock. You have tried a lots of video on YouTube and other platform and still now you're not success to unlock your smartphone. So don't worry at all. In this video, I'm sure you will be 100% unlock your smartphone at the end of this video. So be with us at the end of this video because every step what I'm going to give you in this video is most important to unlock your smartphone. So don't skip a single step, okay? So as you know my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone should be completely on airplane mode. I mean to say your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be switched off. And for this simply you will have to slide your phone downside. You will get a lots of keys here, but you can see here there is a key of a airplane mode. Simply you will have to activate your phone's airplane mode. After that, simply you will have to slide your phone upside. You will get an option of an emergency SOS option. Okay, simply you will have to go with this emergency SOS option and you will have to open your phone's dialing pad like this. Now one more thing I would also like to tell you my friend, if your phone is not charged at least 30%, so you will have to charge your phone at least 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. Or you may also use your smartphone charger at the time of using this unlocking method. Okay, so after opening your phone's dialing pad, you will have to dial a special USSD code which will switch your phones to the master unlocking mode page, and this USSD code is *899 and then #. Now you can see here after feeding this number a new page has been appeared and a lots of option is showing here, but you will have to go with the option of a manual test option which is showing at the 4th number. Simply you will have to click on this. And at the first time when you will click on this, it will reach to a new page and the page name is engineers mode page. You can see here. Now you will also get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this and you will have to reach to the option of others which will comes at the end of the slide. Okay, and one more thing I would also like to, you can use this unlocking method in every type of brand like Samsung, Vivo, Oppo, Redmi. Every kind of Android phone can be unlocked with the help of this method. Okay, so after this you can see here there are 5 type of options showing here. So you will have to go with the option of a main board version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here main board version or data burst version. Okay, both the option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. Simply you will have to click on this main board version 9 times rapidly, 7, 8 and 9. Now the first step has been done. After this you can see here there is an option of a read write important lock test option at the 2nd number. So you will have to, you can see here read write important lock test option. You will have to go with this option, and at the first time when you will go with this option it will ask to confirm here. Okay, so firstly you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here at the first time. Again at the 2nd time you will have to cancel this option. Sorry, just a minute. *899 then #. Okay, then after this you will have to go to the manual test and again others, then read write important lock test option. Okay, now at the first time you will have to cancel here, 2nd time again you will have to cancel this option, 3rd time again you will have to cancel here. Okay, now at the 4th time when you will go with this read write important lock test option, you will have to go with the OK button. Okay, now when you will go with the OK button, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin, pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Okay, now the very last step what I am going to give you is most important, so follow this last step properly. After this simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Okay, you can see here device debugging option has been appeared on my phone display. Now you can see here there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this it will reach to a new page and the page name is sensor self test and calibration page. You will get a 3 type of option, 1 option or 2 options, so don't worry at all the option will be showing here. Operation not started. Simply you will have to click on these options until you get a single test passed message in green color. Okay, so simply click on this and you will have to continue click on these options until you get a single test passed message. Okay, But you can see here at the first time a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So how will I check? Simply you will have to go with this home button. Now you can say this phone has been completely unlocked and all the applications which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone when my phone was not locked. And if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. And if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then join us, our channel. Our team will quick response on you particularly to unlock your smartphone by the help of video call, WhatsApp video call. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.